Hanap lang tayo ng parkingan. Tapos, akyat na tayo. Buti meron pa akong 10 minutes extra time. Mag-ikot-ikot. Pagkataas ng building na ating pupuntahan. Nasa 3rd floor yung akin, guys. Oh my gosh. Not gonna be nice later. Kasi may having another shots again. Tapos, yesterday may shots din ako. Yung aking braso medyo masakit na. Ayan yung paligid. Hey, you need to. Oh my gosh. Ayaw pa talaga magpahawak. Oh my gosh, I wish I bring my jacket. Sana yung entrance dito. I think this is the back. Ay, come on. Mommy's getting late.
Yeah, Mom.
We're going down later. Mommy's going late. Huh?
Mom.
Come here and stay with me. One off.
Elevator. No. Hi. Dito na kami sa 3rd floor. Maghahanap na lang kami ng aking room. I'm gonna go to the restroom first. Okay. Tapos na tayo mag-CR, guys. So, ito na yung aking pupuntahan. Come here, baby. Here, this way. Okay. Ang bilis lang ng aking physical exam, guys.
Hey,
Pero dalawa yung aking turok. Kasi dehydrated data ako. Medyo masama kasi pakiramdam ko ngayon dahil doon sa vaccine ko kahapon. So, nagpahanap ko ng dugo para blood test. Tapos parang ang konti. Parang walang masyadong lumalabas. So, tinurokan ako ulit sa kabilang braso para mapuno yung tissue. Ang lakas ng hangin. Ha? There's no slide in here. Okay, this way. Hey, come here. Ayaw nyo sumakay sa sasakyan kasi sa slide ko batang to. Kaya nga, iwan ko na lang yan sana kanina. Kasi yan, kompleto tulog niya. Hindi yan masaya, guys. Iiyak lang yan. So, ayan na. Kasi nagising siya nung nagbibihis ako, nagising siya.
There it is.
Hanap mo na kami kainan kasi alauna na. Wala pang kain.
There's a bunch of restaurants like right here.
Nandun ata sa likod yung... Where are we going?
Rosas.
Oh.
Wow.
It's over there.
It's right there. When we passed it and didn't see it, it's this little
Ito
hole.
ang inday niyo.
What the hell's the Boston Network?
Nag-meltdown yung isa kasi
Open. What's open? What is up
gusto
there?
niya pumunta sa slide. Wala namang slide doon sa labas ng pinuntahan ko na building.
I think we might be in
Kaya nga ayaw ko siyang dalhin kanina sana.
we might be a little
Kasi
bit on the ghetto side of the fucking town, I
pag
think.
kulang yun siya sa tulog, hindi na siya go on the floor. Pag pupunta kung saan saan. Magdadrama talaga yan siya. So, nagising kasi siya kaya dinala na lang namin. Pero buti na lang nagdrama siya. Tapos na yung aking appointment. So, hindi ako na late. Ito yung ating low ng energy energy ko ngayong araw, guys. Wala ako masyadong lakas kasi alam ko, baka siguro sa aking vaccine. So dyan tayo punta. Ha?
It's all to go. There's no dining in here.
Kami, kaya lang wala silang dine-in. Puro lang ano guys to go. So papagawa ka, pick up mo lang. Alauna na, so wala. Kailangan namin maghanap ng makainan na uupo talaga kami at kakain bago umuwi kasi 2 hours drive din papunta sa amin.
Wow. City's lame. I'll live in this. 30 miles per hour. We gotta go inside here.
So, nahanap na namin yung isa naming
Come on, sweetheart, wake up, baby.
anong pupuntahan na kainan. Kaysa walang dine-in yung isa.
Yeah, baby, we're
Katulog
going
na.
outside.
Oh, hindi na naman. Mamaya iyak-iyak na naman yan siya. Yan, nagising mo. Is this diaper full? Nagising rin. Sarap sana mag-ramen guys para naman kahit tayo ng mainit na sabaw pero ano? Ang aga nila magsara dito. Closing soon na daw. So, wala. Di na lang. You wanna eat that? So, maghintay muna tayo guys. Yung aking cook. Hintay muna tayo kasi nakapila.
Get over there. Sit down. No. Playing football.
Ang saya na ng bata guys. Nakanap siya ng ilang minuto.
Wait. You know, around the stairs there. You want to get us kicked out of here? We're gonna get our food. They're gonna kick us out. So we gotta leave. They're gonna make us leave.
Yeah. No, give me that. You gonna cook yourself with that?
Photos up, whatever.
Probably get home about 4:15, 4:30.
Okay.
Pauwi na kami guys. Tapos na kami kumain.
Alright, bye.
So, on the way home na
Huff.
kami.
Live, love.
Buti nilang hindi ni-reschedule yung aking appointment ngayon kasi kailangan ko pala ng flu
Luxury
shot
apartments.
at yung Genza flu something ba yun? Basta dalawa tapos kailangan kong ano yun, matapos yun within 5 days kasi sisend na nila yung aking papilis doon sa aking lawyer. So sana magawa ko yun. Oh my goodness. Ang hirap pag walang insurance guys, napakamahal. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yung
You done
flu
fucked
shot
up, sir.
nila.
You trying to get over here
Tapos
around them.
yung isang vaccine, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Buti na lang, okay lang siya. I-send ko lang daw sa kanya pag tapos ko na nagawa yung dalawang vaccine ko.
They should have said that instead of just been like, turn right or murder. Let me drop one. He's eating the guy over there. Especially considering it means probably everybody around here might know each other and such. This is definitely a fancier area though. This is the area that people that the area we just sent earlier. That's probably where the people that live there come.
Sa bahay na kami guys. Yung ano, parang sineperate